Okay guys, let's write download Node.js in Google on the first option. Then clicking pre-built installer. Then choose your version. In my case, it's the latest version. And download. Okay, double click. Next. Accept. Next. 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 Okay, next. And install. And finish. Now open your terminal and type node.js version. In my case, it's 22 version. And npm.js version. In my case, I prefer to use PNPM than npm because it's faster. This is an optional step. Just copy and paste. npm install -g PNPM. Okay, PNPM, that's this version. Now let's try Node.js. I'll create a folder. Some open VS Code. We open our terminal and type, if you use npm, type npm init -i or PNPM init. In my case, it's PNPM. And we have the package.json. I'm going to create a script for my JavaScript file. It will be a start. Now index.js. And we create it. Type console log. Open the terminal. PNPM start. And this is my message. Okay, in the latest version of Node, we have support to TypeScript. I'm going to create a TypeScript file, index.ts, and type hello world. Now, in our package.json, just add this line. -- experimental strip types. And change JavaScript for TypeScript. Now we open the terminal and type PNPM install. And this is our message. Thank you for watching.